I'll show you how to withdraw crypto from your OKX account to another wallet or another exchange. If you want to know how to withdraw money from OKX back to your bank account, I'll leave that video listed down in the description. Watch that if you need it. From here, we're going to withdraw our assets. So go to your assets in the top right, click withdraw. That takes you through to this screen. From here, we need to select the asset that we want to send out of our OKX account. So select crypto. I'm going to select USDT here, so I've got some to send out. And then we're going to select the address that we're sending it to. So where are you sending it? Are you sending it to your own wallet, or are you sending it to another exchange? If you're sending it to your wallet, like you have a wallet extension, or if you have a wallet on your phone, go and get the wallet address that you want to send it to. So this right here is my address for my Rabby wallet. So I'm going to copy this, and that's copied, and I'm going to send it to that address. Now, if I paste this in, you'll notice that the network doesn't select automatically. That's because I'm using an Ethereum style address, and there are many different networks that I can send to. So if you're sending to your own wallet, you just have to know which network do you actually want to send it on. So if you have an Ethereum style address, you can choose all of the Ethereum networks, right? Ethereum, Xlayer from OKX, Arbitrum, Optimism, Polygon. Okay, so you have to choose one of those to send it on. And you can send it out to your wallet, and the asset that you send is going to go to your wallet address, but it will be on the network that you use right here. So if you want it on the Ethereum mainnet, you can do that. It's more expensive. If you want to hold it on Arbitrum or any of these, just choose that right here. So let's try Arbitrum 1 here. And I'm going to send that USDT over to my wallet address here, and I'm going to send it on the Arbitrum 1 network. Choose the amount that you want to send. So I'm going to press max, press next right here. It's going to give you the details and check everything. And it says, do you want to send it? Double check everything, double check the address, that it's correct, the whole thing, and then press confirm, and that will send the asset for you. If you're sending crypto to a different exchange, you just have to make sure that both the exchanges you're using, so OKX and the other exchange, are using the same asset and the same network. You have to make sure that both are correct, because if the exchange you're sending to doesn't support the network that you're using from OKX, it won't get there. So what we can do is make sure that both exchanges support the same asset and the same chain. So what I'm going to do is go over to the other exchange. From here, I can make a deposit and get my deposit address for my other exchange. So I'm going to press USDT, and then I'm going to select the network. Now from here, we have to make sure that both OKX and the other exchange are using the exact same network. So for example, BNB Smart Chain, OKX don't support that chain, so I can't use it. So I'm going to go down and let's try Polygon here. And that's my wallet address, so I'm going to copy this, then go back to OKX. In OKX, I just need to make sure that OKX can also send this asset on the same blockchain. So I'm going to paste in this wallet address, like this, and it says there's a match. Now, I'm going to choose Polygon, and OKX actually accept this as well. Now, you can also choose Arbitrum and Optimism and Ethereum, because the other exchange supports those as well. But if you're sending from one exchange to the other, it doesn't matter which network that you're using, because you're going from one centralized exchange to the other. All you're doing is sending a message from one to the other to say, hey, debit my balance here and send it over to the other exchange. When the asset gets into the other exchange, they'll just have it and they'll just credit your account with those USDT. So it doesn't matter which network that you're using. It's not on that network. You can go to the other exchange and withdraw the same USDT on loads of different networks. So it doesn't matter which network that you're using. Just use the cheapest one because it's going to cost you the least. So that's the wallet address of my other exchange. I'm going to use the cheapest network right here, and then I'm going to send that out, press next, and then you can check the details and send everything. Now, what you can also do is manage your address book right here, and that is going to allow you to list a few different wallet addresses of your wallet or other exchanges, so you can easily send things out without having to verify each time. Once you add an address, click on the right hand side here, add address, then you can go and verify that once, and then from there you can just send assets out to it very easily. If you need a full guide for OKX, I'll leave that down in the description, and I'll leave some deposit and trading bonuses to OKX and the other exchanges I use down there as well. I'm James, this is MoneyZG. Cheers for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.